Welcome to It's Rafiq. In this video, I am going to explain Class 9 SEBA Computer Science Chapter 7 Introduction to Presentation, this lesson. So let's start with this. What is presentation? A presentation is the process of presenting a topic to an audience. It is typically a demonstration, introduction, lecture, or speech meant to inform, inspire, motivate, or to build goodwill or present a new idea. In computer, presentation is combination of textual information, pictures, videos, sound, and animation. Means this all by including this all we can make a presentation. Software used to create presentation. In the market there are different kind of software which can be used to create presentation. From them the most popular one is Microsoft PowerPoint. Through that we can easily create presentation, and almost all the Windows computer have Microsoft PowerPoint, which comes with MS Office package. Next one, Google Slides. Through this from the internet we can create presentation. For that we no need any software. We can use cloud applications to create presentation. So we no need to install any software if we use Google Slides. OpenOffice Impress. As Microsoft PowerPoint, here also we can create presentation, but this one is paid. If we are going to use PowerPoint, we have to pay some license fee. But OpenOffice Impress is totally free and it is open source. We no need to pay anything to use that. So it is a good option for us. Even who are using Linux, they can go for OpenOffice Impress. Slide Dock. Keynote. This one is specially for Apple computers. Next, MS PowerPoint. So in our chapter it's totally related to MS PowerPoint, so we'll discuss about this only here. MS means Microsoft. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation application developed by Robert Gaskins and Dennis Austin in April 20, 1987. Just after 3 months, it was acquired by Microsoft. Microsoft PowerPoint is a part of MS Office that comes with various Office applications such as Word, which we can use to create document, Excel, which we can use to calculation, Access to store data, Outlook to access our emails, etc. It offers many ways to display information, from simple presentation to complex presentation. Means through PowerPoint we can create a simple presentation or a complex with full of animation and all. This is also we can do it if we know properly. Next, features of MS PowerPoint. These are some features of MS PowerPoint. Slides. We can insert slides in PowerPoint presentation. Slides means a single page which can contain text, images, audio, or animation. Even videos also it can include. So we can write the definition as a single page on a presentation is known as slide, which can include images, text, pictures. Images means pictures only. Images, text, audio, and video. Handout. Actually there are some small images of our slides. Speaker notes. Here we can write some comments or notes for us. Speaker means the person who is presenting the presentation. So that suppose I am presenting the presentation, I need some notes, so I can write that notes on speaker notes, which can be viewed by only me. The audience cannot see the speaker notes. Then outline. Outline means all the textual information of the presentation. Component of PowerPoint window. While we open MS PowerPoint, we'll see different components. They are slide pane. Here we can see all the already created slides. Placeholder, some place text box or some type of box where we can place objects, text, or some items like pictures, clip art, videos. This is known as placeholder, which can hold some items or objects. Notes, here we can write some notes for us only, not for the audience. Status bar, here we can see the page number, status of the presentation. Magnifying tools like zoom in, zoom out, these things, or some other information are also there like word count and so on. View buttons, here we'll see different view of the presentation. These are normally normal view, slide sorter view, outline view, etc. So here you can see this is a presentation. At first, let's next different views of PowerPoint. PowerPoint contain different views. First one is normal view, which one is default view of the presentation. From here we can edit or create our presentation. Next, slide sorter. This is a miniature form of our presentation slides. Means all the slides we can see in some miniature form so that we can easily navigate to particular presentation. Reading view, here we will see all the textual information. Slideshow view, here we can see our slides in full screen. So these are the views: normal, slide sorter, notes page, reading view. Next, we have to follow some rules or guidelines to create a attractive and beautiful presentation. First, we must keep it simple. We should not keep it very complex because we are going to leave it. Use only 2 or 3 colors. If you use too many colors in your presentation, then it's look untidy. As you can see here in this presentation, I have used only 3 colors, that is yellow, black and white. So if you use only 2 or 3 colors, it's look good. Use standard fonts. Don't use too much stylish fonts, which makes your presentation difficult to read. Always use some standard font which is easy to read. Use pictures and animation so that your presentation will look like attractive. Avoid putting words in capital letters. Don't write everything in capital letters. If you know this rule that if you are writing everything in capital, that means you are shouting at someone. So if you don't want to do that, don't write it. Avoid it. Use bright colors. Don't use too light color so that your audience cannot read what you wrote. Always use bright colors to write the information in your presentation. Simplify the limit of words in your slide as you are presenting to the audience. So always keep some limited number of text or words in each slide. Don't use a big paragraph or a big passage in a particular slide. Always keep the topic in form of points so that it's easy to read and remember. Do not make too lengthy presentation. Now, where we can use Microsoft PowerPoint to make tutorial, to deliver audiovisual classes, to make portfolio, to make animated presentation, to create seminar report, etc. Now let's see how we can create a presentation using Google Slide from computer. To make a presentation from your computer using Google Slides, first open google.com, log into your account. If already it's login, then no need to again log in. Click on here, Google Apps, scroll down, there you will get slides option, this one. Touch here or click here, you will get some templates and a plus sign or blank option to make your presentation. So we'll take blank, click on blank, wait few seconds, it's loaded. Here you can write the file name. Suppose my file name is taste. Click anywhere, and I want some design or themes for my presentation. Here you will see some styles or themes or designs, whatever you say. From here, whatever you like, you can select it. My favorite one is yellow one, this one. Select here. Okay, it's loaded. In a presentation, at the top box or title box, you will write the title of your presentation. Suppose it's a presentation on something. And here, who is presenter, that person's name can write, who is presenting the presentation. Suppose presented by Kavita. Okay. Now to add a new page on your presentation, click on the plus sign, and if you want some other template, you can click on that small down arrow here. And here, according to your need, you can select any template. Suppose I want this one, title and a body. And while you are creating a presentation, your second page should contain the content of your presentation. Means on your presentation contain what things that should be contained on second page. So we'll write here content. That's first on the box, write content, and come to second box. It's always good habit to write the content in your presentation in point wise. It's a good practice. So we'll take list, select any style. Suppose chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. Now suppose you don't like the white color, you want some other color in your presentation, then you will click here in background, and from the color you will choose your favorite color, whatever color you like. Suppose this one not looking good, light gray, it's great. Again, to add a new page, same method, down arrow from your template. Suppose this one only, title and body. Write here title of your page. Suppose I am writing here about chapter 1. So chapter 1, chapter 1, and here just make a list item. Suppose this one here, list 1, list 2, list 3 and go on. Okay, again to add a new page, click here, and suppose here I am comparing two things, then it will be good this one, title and 2 columns. Here I will write like a difference between something and something, and suppose difference between RAM and ROM. Here you will write the title, RAM and ROM. Here you will write the points about RAM, and this box you will write the points about ROM. Okay, now when your all the slides are finished, means you have completed all the slides, your last slide should contain thank you option. This is not mandatory, but it is a good practice. For that we can choose this one, section header. Here we'll write thank you. Okay, if you want to change the color of the text, select it. From text color you can choose red is not looking good, let it be black only. To show your presentation or to show how it look while you present, you can click on present, little bit wait. Here as you can see, if you want to go to first page, click here, this one. You can click on left arrow to move through your slides. Okay, to close the presentation, click on cross sign, and it's already stored in Google Drive. So suppose if you want to store this presentation in your computer memory, not in Google Drive, not in Google Space, so you can go here, file, download. If you want to convert it as a Microsoft PowerPoint, you can click the first one. If you want to download as image, you can click JPEG, and if you want to download it as PDF document which can be open in any device, then you can select PDF. Wait little bit, you will get a download dialog box. Click on OK. Here saved. Now click on the folder sign, right click on the file, open with, select your desired app, suppose Google Chrome. Here you can see all the slides are downloaded as PDF file. Now let's see how we can create a presentation using Google Slide from mobile app. Presentation using Google Slide from your cell phone. First open Slide app, touch on the plus button, click on new presentation. Here you will see the presentation. Tap on 3 dot, change theme. From here any theme you can select which one you like. Suppose I like this theme. Here you will write the name of your presentation, title of your presentation. In second box, it is called as subtitle. You can write your name like presented by someone. Okay, click anywhere and to add a new slide, click on there and you can select anyone from here according to your requirement. Suppose I want title and content, but it is missing here, so I can take this one, and for content I can click on the plus sign, text. I can make one box here for the text. Okay, here I will write the title or heading of my page. Suppose I will write here content, and here I will write what slide contain in my presentation. So for that I have to make a list. For that, touch here and write the page names or the chapters or the topics, whatever. Suppose I have chapter 1, enter, chapter 2, enter, chapter 3. And always keep remember, in your presentation the text should be little bit large so that audience can see it properly. To make it is text large, touch here, and from here you can increase or decrease the size. Suppose I need more large, suppose 30 is good, it can see easily. Now to create again one new page, touch here. Suppose I want to write some difference or I want to compare two things, then this template will be good. Title and 2 columns. Here we will write the title, double tap, TITLE, and here suppose I am writing about something group, something about A, and here something about B. Okay, and suppose I have created all my slides. Now I want to finish my slides, and always remember, when you create a presentation, the last slide should contain thank you or something like that. For that we can select this one. Bring the text box in center position, double tap, write thank you, and make the alignment as center. For that, touch here and click here, scheme here. Now as the thank you is too small, suppose I need little bit large, touch here, from the 36 make it little more, suppose 42. Okay, now suppose I want the thank you little bit bold, touch here, touch here to make it bold, and for the font, from here you can select. Okay, and the color as you wish. This one. Click here to save the presentation. Thank you for watching. Hope you have understood the topic. If you have any question regarding this, you can write in comment section. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel to learn something new.